Okay, we've been working with clicker training, learning some tricks, and this is the bow command. Max, bow. Max, bow. He's doing kind of the downward dog play bow. Max, bow. Max, bow. Very good boy. Max, bow. Good boy. Max, bow. Very nice. What a good boy. Max, bow. Good job. He goes right into it. Max, bow. Aren't you darling? This is a very new trick for him. So we've just put it on cue. Max, bow. Very nice. Max, bow. What a good boy. What a good boy. So the other thing we've just introduced literally 5 minutes ago is the target stick. And at first he was very scared of this. This is useful in teaching a number of other tricks, and we just introduced it, I'm not kidding, 5 minutes ago. So I'm gonna put it down in a way that's kind of far from him so I don't frighten him. I think as a little tiny dog, he's learned to stay far away from sticks. Yeah, look at that. Good boy. So he's learned to touch this. And this is called a shaping behavior. It's called target training, or teaching him to target the stick. And then we use that to teach a bunch of other behaviors, including heel, etc. He is so smart. He literally just picked this up 5 minutes ago and he's already targeting it very actively. Good boy. Nice job. Okay, I'm running out of memory on my phone here, so I'm going to have to stop. Give him one more. Good boy. And over and out.